Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're taking a look at something truly massive being built in Chile's Atacama Desert.
That's right, the European Southern Observatory's Extremely Large Telescopes, or ELT.
Exactly. And our source for this is some excerpts from Eingefügter Text, which gives us a really good feel for the sheer scale of this thing.
It's genuinely an engineering giant, isn't it? That primary mirror alone, unprecedented size.
It really is. The goal, I suppose, is to just unlock new secrets of the universe, see things we've never seen.
Absolutely. And these excerpts, they paint quite a picture. You imagine that desert sunset.
Yeah, golden light.
And then this huge white, almost tube-like structure against the sky. The scale hits you immediately.
Especially that framework, the truss, holding the main mirror, 39 meters across.
It's mind-boggling. That massive area is all about collecting light, of course. Much more light
Means you can see fainter stuff further away.
Precisely. Things that were simply invisible before.
Okay, so light hits this enormous mirror bigger than a building, basically. What happens then? Where does it go?
Well, it reflects from that primary mirror way up to a secondary mirror. You can see it in that central ring structure at the top.
Oh, okay.
And from there, the light beam travels back down, funneled through the telescope's central tower.
Now, this central tower, the excerpts mention it's not just a support, right? It's this complex piece of engineering itself, rigid but light.
Exactly. It's about 3 stories high, and it's critical. It holds 3 of the ELT's 5 mirrors.
3 mirrors just in the tower. What are they doing?
Well, they're essential for the adaptive optics system. That's the tech that, cancels out the blurring effect of Earth's atmosphere.
Ah, so it makes the images sharper, it gets rid of the twinkle.
Basically, yes.
Yeah.
And it also relays the focused light precisely to the scientific instruments below. Making it super stable and lightweight was a huge challenge.
I can only imagine. Keeping everything perfectly aligned over those distances. Wow. And the overall size is just hard to grasp. Over 50 meters tall.
Over 50 meters for the altitude structure, yeah. And the opening in the dome roof needs to be 41 meters wide just to let the telescope see out.
41 meters.
And to give you a real sense of the human scale involved, the text mentions it takes about half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah, roughly 30 minutes to climb from the base structure up to the top levels using the internal stairs and walkways.
Just to move around inside the telescope? That's like climbing a small building.
It really puts the monumental effort into perspective, doesn't it? Building it, operating it.
It really does. You start thinking about the engineers, the sheer fascinating problems they must have solved.
Yeah.
Which leads to the big question, I guess.
What can we actually do with something this powerful?
Yeah. What kind of discoveries are possible now? What new windows does this open?
Well, this is where it gets really exciting. With this much light-gathering power and these advanced optics, we're talking about potentially seeing the very first stars and galaxies forming.
Wow. Right back to the cosmic dawn.
And analyzing the atmospheres of planets outside our solar system, exoplanets, in much greater detail than ever before. Looking for signs of life, perhaps.
So searching for biosignatures on other worlds.
It becomes a real possibility. The jump in resolution, in sensitivity, it's truly transformative.
So it's not just incremental. It's a fundamental leap in what we can observe.
Exactly right. It pushes the boundaries of engineering, all driven by that fundamental human curiosity to explore, to understand our place in the cosmos.
This has really highlighted the sheer ambition and complexity of the ELT. It's more than just a big telescope.
Definitely. And you think about the data it will produce. It could genuinely change our fundamental understanding of astrophysics in the coming decades.
A whole new era, potentially. Okay, so here's something for you, our listeners, to think about. Considering this incredible scale and the complexity we've talked about, what kind of unexpected challenges, maybe technical hurdles, do you think those engineers might have faced building the ELT out there in the middle of the demanding Atacama Desert?